My name is John, and for the purpose of this podcast, I have chosen to inform you, the general public, about schizophrenia. More specifically, the research that is being done on schizophrenia in the brain of twins. According to the National Institute of Mental Health, approximately 1.1% of the world's population is diagnosed with schizophrenia. So much is still unknown about schizophrenia and what causes it, but it is known that it has three probable causes. First, the genetic issue, second, a hereditary issue, and finally, the environmental issues, or combination of these issues. First, I should inform you about the different types of twins and why twins are a good group to research on. There are two types of twins, MZ, also known as identical twins, and DZ, more commonly known as fraternal twins. Now for the reasons why twins are the best to do research on. First, when you have a twin, you have something to compare to. If one twin has a disease and the other does not, then it is discordant. And if they both have a disease, it is concordant. This concordance can tell if schizophrenia is hereditary or not, since they share many of the same genes. The problem with this main idea, or scientists argue about how reliable the concordant rate in twins actually is. It can vary from some say 22% to others say 50 or 60%. But it is certain that there is a concordance. To just how high that concordance is, that is unknown. Any study performed by AMJ Psychiatry found that there were large prenatal differences in MZ discordant twins between weeks 13 to 15. Babies approximately are now at the gestational stage. They also found that MZ twins are more likely to develop schizophrenia rather than DZ twins. According to Tori Fuller, MD, Ann Bowler, MS, and Edward Taylor, PhD, and Irving Gottstein, Ph.D. All these 6 doctors did a 6-year study on twins. Over time, the study included MRI, EKG, and just overall development in society. Some of the MRI brain scans revealed some startling new evidence showing that schizophrenia can possibly be more of a brain disease. They found enlarged brain ventricles in the brain of a schizophrenic twin compared to his non-schizophrenic twin brother. These findings could prove that schizophrenia, after all, is a possible genetic disorder. The main issue that still brings up debate is how do we know it's genetic and not hereditary, or if something physical didn't happen to that schizophrenic twin causing the swollen ventricles that was not reported. In conclusion, very little is known about schizophrenia, and it affects approximately 1.1% of the population. Lately, scientists have done research on the brains of twins to see if the cause of schizophrenia can be determined. Although much of the research points towards a genetic or hereditary problem, the environmental issues cannot be ruled out completely. For more information on the additional readings, I suggest Voices of Reason, Voice of Insanity, Studies of Verbal Hallucinations by Ivan Lauder, Phillips Thomas, or Understanding Schizophrenia, A Guide to the New Research or Causes of Treatment by David Kiefer and David Hart Goldstein.